So I just wanted to quickly record one short hack, which I think many don't use that in TradingView. And there's a whole playlist here. You can keep watching it because playlist is there to. I'll keep on updating on it because, as you know, TradingView is a SaaS-based solution. They keep coming up with great ideas and new features altogether, which is absolutely love this particular platform when I'm doing my stock research. But what I want to share with you is if you haven't watched my playlist and you haven't watched this OMG Unlimited Watch List in TradingView for free, if you're using the free version, then this video is for you. Just type in YouTube Shivendra Bhatia multiple watch list. You should be able to get this as your first choice, but otherwise you can search on it. And that is way how you can basically create multiple watch lists even though you have free account very easily. I've given you the entire tricks there. Okay. Now, if you have a playlist and let's say you have a holding and you want to track that company, what's the news is, and you want to know when is their quarterly results, you go into multiple websites and keep track on it, right? And it's much easier for you to do that all in here in this particular platform because this platform has news, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, all that is combined in this particular platform, and which is amazing. So let's take, for example, let's assume that this is all my portfolio stocks, right? I can add here. Let's say I'm going to add CDSL, um, and I'm going to add Infi. Okay, I'm going to add some stocks. I'm adding Sonata software. No recommendations here, guys. I'm sharing it for your um, knowledge purposes how to do that. Now let's assume this is your long-term portfolio and you are maintaining it. So you will have this button called Advanced View, right? So this Advanced View will give you your symbol distribution. Okay, again, I'm using the free account so that whatever is available in free account, you can use that. That is one thing. You may not be able to share the list. Let's see whether you can do that. Yeah, you can share the list with your friends. So what all things you're holding, and you can share it with this. So this is also possible. So you can add a description here. What is this? This is long term portfolio, whatever you want to write before you sharing it, right? So this is what it is. Now, what is beauty is it gives you a distribution by sectors and industries. As you know, as per the Gibbs classification, you have sectors and industries, and that's what it gives you the picture. So there are four sectors which I'm currently invested in. There are four industries which are container, information technology, and commercial printing. And this is what it is: 29% in technology, and again these classifications are from TradingView, and it can be different from different platforms. So you have to keep that in mind. Now what you see here is all the symbols. You have financials here, so which is also great, so you can see all of that. And you can also have it by sector or exchange, so you know it is by sector, so you can see the breakdown here. So this is all, everybody does that, so you have that. What is the beauty here is if you go down further, which not many do, is that you can, it shows you top three companies in your the list and shows you the graph of how the performance has been, which is amazing. You can compare that symbol here, right? That is also a beautiful chart to see around to do that. And you can select here, okay, I want to compare between these three companies and how they have performed. And you will know clearly, you can select as many of them and you know exactly TCL pack was, and Infi was a laggard, whereas Moltech has been doing very well, right? I got twice, so that's okay. You can remove that. Moltech has been 842% up from February, and then this others are like Infosys is 155% up. So you can see that here clearly. Beautiful chart. You can see here from there, right? And if you see from last 5 years, 1 year, you will be able to see clearly what is outperforming in your portfolio. Okay, so keep that in view because this is something not many use it, and this is kind of secret tip you can call it, but something very easy. And I enjoy looking at it because then I get a good perspective or stocks which I need to take out of my portfolio which are not performing. And especially for last 3 months, if it's my short-term portfolio, I want to make sure if TCO pack is not performing, I will rather get out and invest in EPL, which is performing better. I'll use that opportunity to add up my position on my winning positions. That's why this particular compare symbol comes into very handy as well. Now, upcoming earnings, you can see exactly next 14 days. Infosys is coming up. Moltech package is coming up 26th July. So if I'm having position, I can, and it gives you the estimate also what's coming up. But again, take it from the pinch of salt. And then you have got all of the other details and also the news. Not many actually click on it and see what is the latest news on Infosys. Indian liquidity hit the high and TC will what is there. So you got all the news for those stocks which are there. So it is a curated information, one pager for your holdings. So you can make as many watch lists and watch that and track it. That's what I want to share. And beauty is that you can share this list and keep it private to yourself and use it whenever you want to watch it. So I can just simply go in here, and if I close it, I just click on it and I will get this whole list again, right? And I can track that. That's it. So this is what I want to cover in the short video. Hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and you had some value from this. If you have got it, do hit the notification bell and subscribe to this my channel, and also share with your friends and family so they all can benefit from this. And also YouTube algorithm loves that, so that way at least more people can join our channel. Till the next video, wish you a peaceful weekend investing. Bye bye.